Hello guys, welcome back. Just doing another product review. This isn't a paid production. I bought it of my own accord. I've just ordered the bike alarm, which is very loud. I'll show you in a moment. So I bought this on Amazon. It's simple really. Obviously you get a user's manual. There's batteries already in it. That's impressive. A couple of zip ties, a prying tool, brilliant, and a small screwdriver. Interesting. Right, so I'm just going to show you how loud this actually is. I don't think the video would do it justice. It's very loud. You know, so yeah. So I'm going to attach that to my bike and away I go. Try to take it now, scumbag. Have a great day. Peace.